Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So today we will discuss about aeroplane crochet patterns, designs and ideas for kids. Crochet airplane patterns are a fun and creative way to bring to life the marvel of flight through yarn. These patterns are popular among crocheters who love to make unique toys, gifts and decor pieces. Crochet airplanes can be made in various styles, from realistic detailed designs to whimsical cartoon-like interpretations. The possibilities are endless, making them a versatile project for beginners to advanced crocheters. For beginners, simple airplane patterns often involve basic stitches such as single crochet, half double crochet, and slip stitches. These projects typically include a straightforward structure focusing on creating a basic airplane shape with wings, tail, and propellers. These pieces are generally worked in the round to create a seamless design. The body of the plane can be made in one or two colors with the use of contrasting yarns to highlight key features like the cockpit, windows or engines, adding small details like embroidered lines for paneling or applique elements for more realism can make the plane come to life. Intermediate crocheters may enjoy patterns that include more detailed features like movable parts, textured wings, or multicolored bodies. These projects might require additional techniques such as color changes, increases, and decreases to achieve intricate shapes. Some patterns might even involve working with wire to create more stable frames for the plane's structure, which adds both strength and flexibility, especially for larger crochet airplanes. Adding elements like a working propeller or creating a plane with an open cockpit can be fun challenges for those with more experience. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, so please share this video, comment this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. We need your support. Thanks for watching.